In working through this problem, we have an absolute value inequality, so we are looking to split our expression. So the two different ways that it splits, 6 is less than or equal to the given expression. So we compare it in the way that it is given, and we can also compare it to the opposites of what we're given. Now, if we take that expression x minus 3 and we compare it to the opposites, in order to get to the opposite, we have to multiply or divide by a negative. And in dealing with inequalities, when you multiply or divide by a negative, you do have to switch the inequality symbol. And so then it's just a matter of solving each of these. So if we solve the one on the right, which is easier, we add 3 to both sides, or all the sides. We get 9 is less than x, which is less than 10. So our answer could be any value from 9 to 10. However, we're told that x is less than 0. So these solutions aren't going to be included in our answer. Okay? So we look at the other example. Here we add 3 again to isolate our x in the middle. And so when we do that, we simplify our answers. Okay, and so we're looking at any value that falls between -4 and -3 on a number line. Okay, so you can either rewrite it in this form so it makes more sense, or you can think of it as a number line. So here's -4, here's -3, and it's any value that are located in between those. Now, it's asking us to evaluate what the absolute value of x is. So we know that x itself can be anything from -3 to -4. And so when we take the absolute values of these, we're looking at the absolute value basically reflects this on the number line in looking from 3 to 4. So any number from 3 to 4 is going to work. So 3.1, 3.2, 3.4, and 3.7. Again, anything in between those that fill up the grid will work just fine. So your answer really becomes any number that's between 3 and 4.